Welcome to Frontline. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of our BWC audit software. This platform helps management ensure compliance with policies, recognize high performers, identify training needs, and protect their agency and officers. With this valuable data, it will help departments prove that the majority of their officers are doing great work every day. If there are problems or trends identified, they can be addressed quickly instead of going unnoticed until a major incident occurs. Let's take a closer look into our software. So the first thing you'll see is this dashboard page here. It's underneath the QA dashboard. You can break it down by certain time frames, by certain forms, either by date of call or date of evaluation, by certain groups or shifts if you want to. This is going to show you the total evaluations within that time frame you selected, a breakdown by employee, a pie graph showing you how often each form is being used, and then a month over month of how you're doing with evaluations on your employees. You can print this out in a PDF if you would like. The next thing is going to be the QA alerts here. You get to set up certain criteria for those alerts to be triggered in the Manage Account section. But once those alerts have been triggered, they're going to show underneath this module here. You're able to view them. They're in-house on how you handle them. But once you do view them, you're able to close those alerts out. You can put in your dispositions, make your comments. Once you hit submit, it'll then go from a pending alert to a closed alert, where you can always go back and view those at any time. Manage account is how you're going to be able to set up everything in the back end, from your on-off features, adding your users in, customizing your forms, questions, and your alerts. The employee roster is going to show you a list of all your employees within this platform. You're able to view each individually. You can see how many evaluations have been completed on them. You're going to be able to see if they're signing off on those or not. If there was a check mark there, that means they signed off on it. If not, that means they need to go back in, review those, and sign off on them. You're able to print those off in a PDF. You can do a quick dashboard of each employee as well. So again, filter through different time frames if you want, by date of call or date of evaluation, by certain forms if you want. This is going to give you a pie graph showing you how often each form is being used on this employee. A breakdown by nature code. So out of those, 3 of them were battery, 3 were for burglary, and so on. And then a month over month of how we're doing on evaluations for this employee. And then a breakdown of all those evaluations within that time frame. You can print this off in a PDF as well. BWC audits is how you're going to be able to actually perform those evaluations on those employees. So you'll go in, you'll be able to create that, pull all the information from it, and then start your evaluations from here. Document library is just going to show you where you can store everything pertaining your BWC audits. So whether it's policies, handbooks, good literature, whatever it is that you're wanting to store in this platform. And then your QA reports, there's multiple different reports you can run within this platform. I do have a separate video going over each report. So if that's something you want to look at, just go to my other video to find that. But this is basically everything we're tracking within our BWC audits. Thank you for watching this video.